Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at number words, and the activity you're going to do is numbers before and after. You're going to be doing number words, but we're going to look at the numbers first. Here we have the number 5. If you look up on our number line, the number that comes right before the number 5 is the number 4. 4 is 1 less than 5. The number that is after the number 5 is the number 6, and it is 1 more than 5. We've done activities like this before in class with our numbers. We've done it with our letters, and today you're going to do it with your number words. In the middle, we have the number word 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Just like at the top, same number in the middle. So the number that comes before the number 5 is the number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. And the number that is after the number 5 is 6, S-I-X, 6. So on the activities you're going to do the next slide with your worksheets, you're going to be writing the number word so you can look and see what the number is, and then you're going to spell that number word. Be sure you use your best handwriting.